Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy on Bitmart application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to buy a cryptocurrency from Bitmart, then the process is quite simple. Tap open Bitmart application and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. If you don't have an account yet, create one, and once you're inside the home page of Bitmart, tap on the trade button at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that you have some funds on your Bitmart account, and on the next page you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the buy and sell button at the top right. And now, select the cryptocurrency from the Receive Crypto drop-down that you would like to buy. In my case, I'm going to choose some Ethereum, so let me tap on Ethereum from the option. Now, go to the bottom and select your fiat currency from the drop-down. After you are done, enter the amount of US dollar or any other fiat currency that you've chosen in the text box. Type in the amount you're willing to spend in order to buy Ethereum. Once you enter the amount, tap on the buy button. On the next page, all of the best offers you could use while buying cryptocurrency will be displayed. Simply go ahead and choose any one and tap on the buy button. Confirm your purchase by going through what it has to say. On the next page where you can see the pop-up, it'll tell you how much Ethereum you'll get or any other cryptocurrency you'll get. Now confirm that you'd want to buy your cryptocurrency and tap on this little box at the bottom, which will activate the continue button. Tap on continue after you are done. Now enter your email address and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to buy any kind of a cryptocurrency on Bitmart. That is how you can easily buy on Bitmart using your Bitmart application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.